summertime, the sun shines bright. We splash and play from day to night, with ice cream treats and sandy shores. Adventure calls, let's explore. Seasons change, the world anew. Spring and summer, fall comes too. Each one brings a special show. Round and round, the seasons go. In autumn, leaves turn red and gold. The air grows crisp, a sight to behold. We jump in piles of leafy cheer and wave goodbye to summer's year.